Hi guys, this is Rishabh from the Y1 team. This is our second instruction video. The first one was to help the international investors. This one will be more focused on helping our beloved Indian ones. We'll help you out on buying the required currencies in the respective wallets. Once we end this video, I will urge you to watch the other one for completing the process. I will also try to brief you about why we are doing that we are doing. Bear with me on the screen lags and the pauses. So let's learn something new today. Before I start, I assume you were able to add funds in INR to your Indian crypto exchange wallet. We are using WazirX for this video. You can also use CoinSwitch or other exchange if you are already using or aware of other one and which might get the job done well. I assume that you have a setup of Binance account into which we'll move these funds. If not, you can connect to us for any help or queries related to it. We recommend making transactions on a website and not on app just to avoid mistakes while moving funds. So this is how a WazirX dash looks like. Currencies on the left chart and orders in the center and transactions to the right. We need to start with buying XLM. XLM is not the primary currency. It is just a transactional vehicle to move funds to an international wallet. Binance in our case, where we would find the currency that matters for the purchase. The reason for doing so, XLM has one of the lowest transaction fees. Move to the left hand side, get into the search bar, enter XLM. We need to be in the Indian market. Here it is. Select XLM. Now move to the bottom right corner. You can see buy and sell options. Make sure you update the lowest price tab before placing the order just to make sure it executes. Now this gives you a notification of successful order. We move to funds. Here it is. Your portfolio is updated with XLM you just bought. Now we need to move this XLM into Binance wallet. We choose withdraw. While keeping this tab open, we move to Binance in another tab. Now this is the exchange where we would trade our XLM with BNB. BNB is a currency that Y1 is paired with. We did this because Binance does not accept INR payments as of now. Here we move to wallet, get into fiat and spot. Now you notice a list of currencies. You need to search for XLM. Choose the Stellar Lumens out of the three, that is the first one. We need to move our XLM from WazirX. So here we select deposit. I understand, although we never do. Here we have an address to your XLM wallet in Binance and associated memo. Remember, this does not change for XLM transactions. I copy this address, get back to WazirX, paste it in the destination address, return to Binance, copy the memo, back to WazirX, paste the memo. Remarks is a necessary field to be filled, but it can be even a single letter. I input transfer and proceed with withdraw. We need to enter the code on the Authenticator app. We also need to move this transaction through the email. Once it is approved, get back to Binance. It generally takes 5 to 8 minutes. It can take longer depending on the Indian exchange you use. I will now skip to the part where it has been moved. Here again, I go to wallet, then fiat and spot. We can see the XLM has been added to Binance. Now it is time to trade it with BNB. We choose trade on XLM, choose XLM BNB pair. This takes you to the trading portal. Now we move down, you would see two options of limit and market directly over the green buy button. It is set to limit by default, set it to market. Before every such trade, move to sell, shift that white slider to the right and to 100%. All of your XLM is ready for trade. We receive this notification of market order being filled. Move back to fiat and spot. We noticed the updated BNB balance, but there will be still some more XLM left in fractions. Here it is. We need to convert this leftover fractions of XLM to BNB again. We move to convert small balances to BNB. Here we check box XLM and move to convert on the right. It has been converted. Move back to fiat and spot. Now you can see the XLM has disappeared from the list. We just traded it with BNB and we have moved all our funds deposited in the Indian exchange successfully. I would now recommend you to go through the BNB to Y1 conversion to complete this process. Be very careful while filling out wallet addresses. Watch these videos multiple times until you feel confident about making this process happen. We understand for the first time this process can be hectic and it can also be very confusing. Still, if you're left with queries, you know where to find us. This will be all for this video. Happy investing.